द रूलर्स, द मैप। ये मैप हमारे बुक में था 12th NCERT में। अभी मैं कुछ पढ़ने में टाइम नहीं वेस्ट कर रही हूँ, मतलब वो टाइम वेस्ट करना नहीं होगा, बट आई डोंट हैव द टाइम क्योंकि म्यूज़ियम बंद होने वाला है। सो my element by. I'm so happy, so happy. Look at all these sculptures. There are so many. Look at these. And also look at them. Look at all these. Wow.
Leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep. The earth's gentle sigh. A lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune.
The amount of happiness ये देख के कि इस मैनिक्विन का कलर वाइट नहीं है, शी इज इन अ डार्क स्किन टोन. This is the Mughal period. Yakshas are demigods associated with forest and nature. Vidisha.
Dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown.
How women were dressing up, and then there are these guys saying कि छोटे कपड़े. कल्पवृक्ष. Wow. Wow. Kuber is shown as a Brahman. He is the king of Yakshas. Yakshi Chulakoka, Sulkoka, Yakshi Chulkoka. सब हमें पढ़ाया गया है एंड इसकी फ़ोटो होती है हमारे बुक में, मतलब ये the most beautiful places that I've ever seen. Look at the Nataraj figure. So good. Narasimha. No, this is Ravan Shri Mount Kailash. ऊपर शिव पार्वती. There is a Jain sculpture. Gajendra Moksha Virupaksha temple. अच्छा, this is हाथी वाली कहानी है. हाँ, गजेंद्र. पार्वती एवं लक्ष्मी सहित बादामी. भाई, all of this was taught to us. Moving into the impact of the West section. Look at all these paintings. Renaissance. Hello. So I hope that I'm audible, and I'll give a quick story here of what actually happened. तो we decided कि हम लोग जो नेहरू प्लानिटेरियम में शो होता है, एक नेहरू प्लानिटेरियम इज़ इन मुंबई, एंड वहाँ पे एक शो होता है विच इज़ बेसिकली आई थिंक इमर्सिव 3D सॉर्ट ऑफ अ शो जो होता है स्पेस एंड एस्ट्रोनॉमी पे. So they take you through the whole universe and stars and their history and the formation and everything about them. But it happens in a 3D way and in an immersive way. So that is very famous here and that has a very good reputation. तो वो 4:30 बजे होता है हिंदी वाला. So we decided that we'll go and we'll watch that. Me and my brother will both have fun. So we went with our mother and we reached at around 5 minutes prior to 4 p.m. And yet we were not able to secure any seats, and there was a long queue standing in front of the registration desk, and so many people could not actually get in because the seats were full already. And so all of them, the windows closed and सबको बोल दिया गया कि अब आप लोग जाइए, सारी सीट्स भर चुकी हैं. And after that happened, a lot of those people, वो या तो कोई वहाँ पे साइंस गार्डन था समथिंग, वहाँ चले गए, कुछ थे जो साइंस म्यूजियम में अंदर चले गए जस्ट टू हैव अ लुक अराउंड, क्योंकि सब लोग वापस नहीं जाएंगे, डेफिनेटली आए हैं तो कुछ तो देखेंगे ही. But I am somebody who is more into art and culture and history and archaeology more than science. So I started searching कि यहाँ पे कोई art museum या history museum है क्या, and I found a hall of culture which was basically sort of like a history museum. So we went there. It was like a 5 to 6 minute walking distance from the planetarium, and it is also a part of the whole thing. तो we went there and there I had so much fun क्योंकि there was like पूरा स्टार्टिंग से लेकर आई थिंक अराउंड द टाइम ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स एंड इंडिपेंडेंस तब तक का वहाँ पे दे हैव पुट इन सेक्शन. सो देयर वाज अ सेक्शन ऑफ when the civilization began, the Harappan civilization, then the Mauryan age, the Kushanas, everybody else, the Mughals, and then the Britishers, and then the independence struggle, the modern history wala pura section, and then the first president of India. Till there पूरा एक section था, and they also had Paleolithic period and Neolithic period, all of that also in their one section. And then after that happened, we went to Marine Drive or Queen's Necklace. We sat there for a while, but the sun was still up and bright, so we decided कि let us go to a restaurant and have some food. So we then moved to a restaurant, we had some food, just normal things, and then we came back home. So overall the day was very good, and जो जैसा plan था, it did not go exactly that way, but it went really nicely and we had a lot of fun, and I was able to record all of this stuff. Earlier मैंने ऐसे सोचा नहीं था that I would be recording anything, but then suddenly I felt like recording and I started recording and I enjoyed so much that I cannot explain it. And किसी को सुनने में से लग सकता है कि आर्ट म्यूजियम या हिस्ट्री म्यूजियम में क्या होता है ऐसे एंजॉय करने वाला, बट दिस वॉज समथिंग दैट अभी तक मुझे भी अपने बारे में नहीं पता था. तो दिस वॉज ऑल्सो सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक अ सेल्फ डिस्कवरी, क्योंकि मुझे ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि आई लव टू एक्सप्लोर म्यूजियम्स एंड आई रियली इन्जॉय इट थरली. So that was again really a self-awareness वाला point, and I like to do it alone more than anything. I do not like having company while I am in a museum. ये भी मुझे realize हुआ. Thank you if you have watched till here. Thank you so much. You can also follow me, and you can also follow me by the way on Instagram because I'm more consistent there and I keep posting something or the other there. Pieces of my life, advices, thoughts, and in general opinions and knowledge pieces as well. So you can follow me there and you can follow me here as well because I make such long vlogs and videos, share bits and pieces of my life here, trying to document as much as I can and share as much positivity as I can. Thank you so much. Wishing you lots of happiness and joy.